eye contact.
Let's learn 12 English phrases with Aishwarya Rai.
You don't need to guess what you're looking like, but the point is you've got to pull your socks up and get on with the day, and that's just...
Pull your socks up. Pull your socks up is an expression that means to improve your behavior, effort और performance. इसका हिंदी में मतलब होता है अपने तौर तरीकों में सुधार लाना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अपने तौर तरीकों में सुधार लाओ, अब तुम कोई बच्चे नहीं हो. Pull your socks up, you are not a kid anymore.
Because you're suddenly still adjusting to Juhu, and especially in our lives, because you're not just staying home, we're up and about and working and running and traveling.
Up and about. Up and about is a phrase used to describe someone who is out of bed, moving around after being sick or resting. इसका हिंदी में मतलब होता है किसी बीमारी से ठीक होकर चलने फिरने लगना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, परेशान मत हो, कुछ ही दिनों में वो चलने फिरने लगेगा. Do not worry, he will be up and about in just a matter of days.
This is my assignment. My brands, thank you all. You all have been superlative because you've actually spoken volumes.
Speak volumes. Speak volumes means to speak something clearly without the use of words. इसका हिंदी में मतलब होता है बिना बोले ही बहुत कुछ बता देना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपकी हरकतें आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में बहुत कुछ बताती हैं. Your actions speak volumes about your character.
But I did know that if I chose to do one, it would be a choice. It's not a walk in the park.
Walk in the park. Walk in the park is a phrase that means something is very easy or relaxing to do. इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं बच्चों का खेल होना. जैसे कार ठीक करना कोई बच्चों का खेल नहीं था, पर मैंने कर लिया. Fixing the car was not a walk in the park, but I managed to do it.
For those who didn't know, I used to sometimes faff. I was running everything by a lawyer, but...
Run by someone. Run something by someone means to show or tell someone an idea, plan or piece of information to get their opinion or approval. इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं किसी चीज को अप्रूव कराने के लिए किसी से पूछना या इजाजत लेना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मनाली जाने से पहले मुझे अपनी बीवी से पूछना पड़ेगा. I need to run it by my wife before going to Manali.
That an actress getting married at the peak of the career is detrimental, and yet you chose to do that.
I wouldn't have had it any other way.
I wouldn't have it any other way. I wouldn't have it any other way means that you are happy with how things are and wouldn't want them to be different. You are satisfied and wouldn't change anything about the situation. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है मुझे इस तरह ही ठीक लगता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मुझे मेरा छोटा घर बहुत पसंद है और मुझे इस तरह ही ठीक लगता है. I love my small house and I wouldn't have it any other way.
I think it's all from within here when it comes to strength. I've always been a mind over body person.
Mind over body. It suggests that your mental strength and attitude can impact how you feel, behave or recover from challenges, even if your body feels weak or tired. इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं मन की शक्ति से शरीर पर काबू पाना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डॉक्टर ने बताया कि कैसे मन की शक्ति से शरीर पर काबू पाकर बीमारियों से जल्दी ठीक हुआ जा सकता है. The doctor explained how mind over body can help in recovering from illness faster.
What planet does she come from? I mean, that doesn't exist. I mean, your handwritten stuff will not even hold water.
Hold water. The phrase hold water means that something makes sense or is logical. इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं दम होना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इस केस में कोई दम नहीं है. This case doesn't hold water.
If you believe that your child will not be seen or there'll be no pictures taken. Having said that
means despite what just has been said. इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं इसके बावजूद भी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वो ज़्यादातर चीज़ें भूल जाता है, इसके बावजूद भी वो हमेशा मेरा बर्थडे याद रखता है. He forgets most things, but having said that, he always remembers my birthday.
There's no running away from it. I've been aware of it. I've been more than made aware of it.
There's no running away from it. The phrase there is no running away from it means that you cannot escape or avoid something. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है इससे बचा नहीं जा सकता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बेंच को पे करना है और इससे बचा नहीं जा सकता. The bills need to be paid and there is no running away from it.
To keep your child shut away, that would be silly.
Shut away. Shut away means to keep something or someone in a place where they can't get out or are hidden from others. इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं किसी चीज़ या किसी को बंद करके रखना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बच्चों को बाहरी दुनिया से बंद करके रखने से मेंटल ग्रोथ पर असर पड़ता है. Keeping children shut away from the outside world affects their mental growth.
So when you're a science student in junior college, you're dealing with so much. Your days are really long.
My days are long or I had a long day. The phrase I had a long day means that the person experienced a day that felt tiring or took a lot of effort, often because of busy or stressful activities. इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं आज का दिन बहुत थकाने वाला था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आज काम का दिन बहुत थकाने वाला था और अब मैं सिर्फ आराम करूंगा. I had a long day at work and now I will rest only. I hope you found the video useful and fun. If you have any question, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.